It's a really beautiful day here in New York. Actually, even as we were coming in, I just looked outside and I saw the sunshine hitting the brick facades, and wow, fall in New York is beautiful. Maybe as long as it's sunny. A real New Yorker is probably going to tell me otherwise. First, I'll give you a little tour of my hotel. It has a very nautical theme going on. I don't know if you can tell with like the wood details and the finishes. Look at this lovely round opening. As soon as I got here, someone knocked on the door and they had these like little Sugarfina chocolates, which I love obviously. And then they're like, hey, we're here to drop off some chocolates. And I was like, wow, that's so nice. And she's like, no, it's for the mini bar. Like, her and I both knew you don't touch the stuff in the mini bar. There they are, the chocolates that she brought and that I'm not gonna touch. Green spotted tiling. A counter full of my stuff when I am left unchained. Actually, I don't know if anyone else agrees with me, but many hotels neglect to provide toothpaste. And this place provided a really nice toothpaste. So there you go. That alone is a winner. I'm here in New York for a little 1-week work trip. I can't like share a lot of details of what is going on because the work that we're doing with them is confidential, but I'm here with YouTube and I'm really stoked. And today we're gonna go thrifting. Place was a little bit small and not the cheapest items, as well not like the most amazing curation, so it's kind of like average on all of them. I'm going to give it a 3. Let's go see what the next one has. Okay, L Train vintage. The size was good, price was good, selection not bad. I am looking for a dress as a key item, and so kind of like knock you down for the dress, but I'll give L Train, I don't know, a 4. Oh boy, public transit in a new city is always so stressful. Even if they are gonna make it really easy for you, you just never know if you're making the wrong choice. I got a Metro card and then I entered the wrong side of the platform and I got stuck. And I can tell by these chairs alone that this neighborhood seems more promising for the thrift. Here we go, our third stop of the day.
Whoa.
This is easy. For this Stella Dallas place that I just went to, selection great, price terrifying. It's like over $800 each. So I think like it's not a good place for DIY. It's just a place to go if you want it to be beautiful as is. I'm gonna give it like 4.5 from like a really fun shopping perspective, but the downside is the cost, and then also the music there just kind of sounds like I'm gonna join a cult. Like it's just a little too spooky for me. It's like you would go there to look for outfit inspo for midsummer. Like it was just a lot of like cotton, but in this kind of like you've lost your own soul kind of way. I'm gonna try one last place before the sun sets. Here we are, Awoke Vintage. the back of this dress because I just want to try it on for the top half. I just got ready for bed. Gonna go to sleep. I'm really excited for tomorrow. The final thrift shop was the real winner. 4.5 out of 5. Am I too stingy to give the 5? Every single item had that kind of like, whoa, what is that factor? Prices were much more within reason. And like the only complaint I had is that it was small and I wish it was bigger. I picked up 2 items. They're gonna probably make appearances in upcoming tutorials, so don't forget to subscribe. Then I came back to the hotel because every single Monday my family has webcam time. We call it Webcam Wednesday, and the joke is that the only rule is that it doesn't have to be Wednesday. But we are all in different places, so we use that as a time to catch up every single week and see how we're all doing. I was really delinquent at this when I was in university in terms of calling my parents and staying in touch, but now that we're all settled into this rhythm, I think we all really appreciate that we do this catch up. So yeah, I hurried home for that. Had some nice time to call Dan because I miss him, and now it's bedtime. Yes, this is the Raptors championship t-shirt. Dan went to the game where they unveiled their championship banner. The shirt is like super XL, so it really doesn't fit either of us, but I asked if I could borrow it for this trip because I'm needy sometimes and I just want a little piece of my significant other with me. Tomorrow the YouTube stuff begins. I don't know how much I can show you, but hopefully I will really toe the line on showing you everything except for confidential stuff. Okay, good night. Happy Tuesday. This is the sweater I thrifted yesterday. Yeah, I'm that type of person who, as soon as I get something that I like, I just really want to wear it the next day. Today, the formal activities are all going to start at noon. First order of business is I'm so hungry. I need breakfast. Let's go. Good morning.
Hello, Wendy. It's 8:19 a.m. Right now in New York City, it's 14 degrees and cloudy. Today, it'll be cloudy with a forecasted high of 16 and a low of 6. Have a good one.
The cafe that I went to didn't have Wi-Fi, so I'm just back here to get some work done. It's time to head out to go meet the other YouTube creators. We're on a tour of the Met. It's so nice to have someone guide you for a tour. The end of a great day at the Met. I won a little hippo! Basically that entire thing was like an exercise in storytelling and it was a really good time.
Okay.
We found the bus.
Okay.
Wild. A digital fireplace. Good morning from the YouTube space in New York. I'm just swinging over here because I have a video I need to provide feedback on. Yeah, it's just been really nice meeting the other YouTubers and getting to share ideas. Happy. Also, YouTube space New York is pretty nice. There's a lot of snacks here. The hotel Wi-Fi, I'm really trusting in ya. I have to upload some files for Leaf, my editor, so that she can finish a video. I gotta head out also now for dinner, so I'm really just hoping it all works out. Anyways, okay, dinner time. I haven't done a good job documenting dinner, so tonight I will show you what that's all about. it's been pretty fun. I don't know, you know, like when you're around other people, you just don't want to whip out the camera and get all up in people's faces. You kind of just want to actually enjoy the moment. So I hope you understand that, but I will show you a bit of what dinner has been like. Let's go. Oh. What is up with the focus these days? Oh gosh, it's so bright. I definitely intended to show you more about what was going on at the Google YouTube space. Unfortunately, what ended up taking place is that I just have footage of us chilling out and having fun, but in reality, we did do a lot of work, I promise. So now I'm back. The sore throat is getting better and better. I shot a video yesterday. I'm heading out now to shoot another video for you guys, both of which I'm actually quite excited about. Hope you enjoyed coming along with me, thrifting, getting to see the YouTube space. It's been a really great year. There's been a lot of really great opportunities. I'm super grateful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.